Hello. So today I will be talking about the Papermate liquid paper fast drying correction fluid. And this just says corrects anything, excellent coverage, white. This is 20 milliliters, 0.7 fluid ounces. So if any of you guys are like me and you literally make a mistake every 10 seconds, I definitely suggest getting this. So just getting started about how this small product literally became my best friend for life. I never really used this in high school, but for my college trunk party, a lot of people got me like different types of whiteout, and I was like, I never used this before, like I'm definitely not going to need this now. But joke's on me, I definitely do need it now. I did use it. But so there's like different types of whiteouts that you can use. There's like the little roll ones, if you guys know what I'm talking about, but it's like you can roll and use like that type of whiteout, or there's like this one where it's like the wet one, and I just want to tell you guys like why I prefer the wet one. So with the tape one, that one's kind of like the tape comes off of it. It's like a tape whiteout sort of thing. The tape whiteout comes off of it if you're not using it carefully enough. And then also too, on top of that, it's sort of like if you have your papers like stacked up like on top of each other, which you usually would if you're typing a paper and you staple it, it doesn't work well for that either, just because it like smears and stuff. But this, the reason why I love this so much is you literally paint it, it dries, and then you go on about your life and like write over it whatever you want to write over it. Literally the best thing that I think I possibly could use. Like, it literally blesses my life every time I use it. But yeah, so in college, I can't even tell you how many times I've had to turn in a paper in the morning of. I'm literally sitting in class reviewing my paper before it's time to turn it in, and I see the worst typos, and at that point I'm like, okay, I'm gonna white it out and then write over it and then just turn it in. And I think my professors would usually just be like, okay, like I'm gonna give her an A for effort, and I know that doesn't make sense because effort starts with the E, but an A for effort, because she literally tried to fix her mistakes. And I've even had one professor comment on my paper and write in like red ink like nice catch or something like that. So I literally live by this stuff. It's something that I truly believe like really helps you, especially when you're in school, and not even only for school but for businesses too. For my internship, I worked for this company, and I had an administrative role. And guys, I don't know, maybe I'm just like not good at all with like reading or just English in general out loud, I guess. But I can't seem to spell right, and it just really upsets me because right now my occupation is like I teach kids, and it's like, oh my goodness, like how am I supposed to be educating a future generation, and I still need more education, and I graduated from college. So it just really is like one of those things that I feel like everybody needs it. I see doctors use this. I've had doctor's notes where my doctors have wrote me the wrong prescription and they had to use whiteout to fix it. I see so many different people use it. So whiteout to me is like just the reminder that we're all human, and we literally are going to continuously keep making mistakes because that's about life, and that's life. Like, we're all going to make mistakes. So shout out to Papermate. And actually guys, Papermate is such a good brand. I just want to talk about Papermate. I literally have been using like products from that brand ever since I was little, and so Papermate has just been one of those things for me that like it continuously, I never get tired of it. Like, I will like always purchase a Papermate product, whether it's loose leaf paper, whether it is liquid drying, whiteout, just always. It's just one of those things for me that I love. And yeah, so like I said before guys, and then at the bottom it says I'm sorry. At the bottom it says correction fluid, liquid paper, fast drying, Papermate. Just an overall amazing product. Definitely suggest it. And yeah, like I'm trying to think of like more words to say, but like I hope that you guys invest in it. It dries pretty fast too, guys. That's what I love too, and it blends really well. You just remember to shake before you use. That's always what I have to remember. But it's inexpensive, and you can find it on Amazon, your nearest Walmart or Target. And yeah,